Thank you very much, and I've been in this career for more than 30 years, and I can assure you that this is the most spectacular setting for an American corner that I've seen anywhere also. So congratulations to everybody who made this happen. Mayor Lankri, Mr. Ahmad Sawa, Director of the Akko Community Center, Peter Yarrow, David Broja, honored guests, Brukim Habaim, Elun Waselun. Welcome to all of you. It's my pleasure to be here to celebrate the opening of the American Corner, when we're very proud to have partnered with the municipality of Akko and the Akko Community Center in establishing this beautiful facility here at the Asariya in the Al-Jazar quarter of the Old City. I believe this is the only one of the State Department's many corners in countries around the world that is located in a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And Mayor Lankri and Mr. Sawa, I appreciate the enthusiasm we saw when we first approached you with the possibility of establishing an American corner here in Akko. You immediately embraced the potential of our partnership, and ever since, my staff and your staffs have collaborated closely to establish this corner. I appreciate your support and congratulate you on the wonderful results we see today. In addition to your support and involvement, which was essential to make this happen, another reason we decided to open an American Corner in Akko was because Akko's residents and leaders are committed to fostering communities that live in harmony. All of us were disturbed by the violence that occurred last October in the city, where Arabs and Jews have long lived together in peace. Those painful clashes demonstrated the fragility of the fabric of Arab-Jewish coexistence and underscored the importance of continuing to bridge gaps, to maintain dialogue, and to try new ways or resume old ways to resolve issues that can divide people. My own society has suffered through similar experiences in which neighbors have turned on neighbors. Our streets, too, have been inflamed by hatred. We learned the hard way to be continually vigilant and to try to act responsibly, and Americans continue to work hard at this every day. It's not a problem that goes away. This shared experience with social unrest inspired us at the embassy to act to help our Israeli friends. Last month, we brought to Israel 2 American community leaders who have helped their own community, which is Brooklyn in New York, to heal and maintain calm in the wake of disturbing racial incidents there. Rabbi Bob Kaplan and Mr. Mohammed Razvi, a Muslim originally from Pakistan, visited several cities in Israel, including Akko, explaining the model that they apply effectively in Brooklyn. They worked with community leaders on how to identify local goals that are reachable within neighborhoods, how to lay the foundation that will build the neighbor-to-neighbor trust. That work is hard and long and frustrating, but focused and capable of producing adaptation that leads to understanding and dialogue and diffuses tension. We are hopeful that this newest American Corner will fulfill its promise as a point of information and interaction for those who want to learn about the United States and the American people. But equally important, it is our great hope that the corner will serve as a gathering place for dialogue, discussion, and debate on issues important to the greater goals of peace. Perhaps Greek historians got it right when they referred to this city as Akka, meaning cure. We are confident that this new American Corner will further my embassy's effort to extend the message of coexistence between Arabs and Jews in Israel. I invite all of you and the citizens of Akko to visit the corner often, to participate in our programs, and to make the American Corner Akko a part of your community. I'm proud to be here today, really, as your newest resident, and to participate in the opening. Thank you for coming.